Hi, I'm Leo Vidal, software architect from IBM. In this short video, I'm going to show a simple and efficient way to integrate two popular cloud-based applications, Jira and ServiceNow, using IBM AppConnect Professional on IBM Cloud. The idea is to avoid wasting time copying and paste sequence from one system to another, using an intuitive interface that provides a codeless approach to solve integration needs. So let's see how it works. So in this demo, I'm using my IBM Jira developer instance, and I'm also using my ServiceNow developer instance on ServiceNow Developer Cloud. Right. So I'm going to create a new issue here in Jira. It's a bug, so there is a new bug in code. I will add some description here from issue, and I will create the new issue in Jira. Right. So now if you go to ServiceNow and refresh my screen, we see that there's a new incident that has been automatically created in ServiceNow, right? So it has exactly the same description, it has exactly the same number of the issue that I created in Jira, import all the fields, right? And some additional information as well that I add. So it's a new issue created for the project name and by the person and the person that actually raised the issue, that was myself, and the severity, right? So those are a couple of all the fields that are also mapped to this new incident. So now I'm going to show how I actually built this flow. This is the IBM AppConnect Professional interface that I have running on IBM Cloud. What I did was to come here and create a new event-driven flow, just like this one here. And the trigger for this flow, I chose that every time there's a new issue created in my IBM Jira Dev instance, I just have to create the new account here with my credentials, so it automatically gives me a list of all the projects available in that particular Jira instance here. I choose a demo instance one, and then I can play with the format of the fields, and then I also check here how often I want my integration flow to check for new issue. In that case, I chose every minute, right? So after there is a new issue created, what I'm going to do is that I'm actually also using my ServiceNow credentials. I'm going to create a new incident in ServiceNow, right? And then all of the fields that were available in that particular Jira instance, right, are available for me to map here. So what I'm going to use is actually I'm using the key field that's going to represent my ServiceNow incident number. So I'm using the same number here as the ServiceNow number for the ticket. I map that particular field, and also add the description, the summary that I have here for that particular issue. That's the field I'm mapping to the ServiceNow short description, right? And then, as I mentioned, there are also a couple of additional information that I add to the additional comments. So if you go to additional comments here, a new issue has been created for the project here. I actually mapped the project name and the priority and then any other fields, right? That's as simple as that. And the other thing I did is also I send a notification of the whole issues, all of the fields, to the notification tabs here in the my AppConnect instance, so I can do a little bit of troubleshooting and debug, do a little bit of debug of the code, right? So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Showed how easy and quickly we can build system integration using IBM AppConnect Professional.